Today is hiking day. Hi, it's Terreana. Welcome to my channel. Today is hiking day. Let's go on a hike. I have some new hiking shoes that I'm going to be reviewing today. Also, we'll see how many times I fall, because you know I'm always slipping on these hikes. We'll see if these work for me. Let me show you guys what the shoes look like. The shoes that I'm trying out today are Solomon's. I've heard a lot of good things about these shoes, so we'll just see how they work for me and how they feel on the trail and everything. Found some Noni, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. I've been trying to study what type of fruits and plants are here on Guam. I'm going to show you guys what I found. This is a tree right here. It's kind of tiny actually, but here they are. See if I can find some that are a little bit more mature. Oh, there's one right there. If you look up at the top right there, there's like a light yellow. That's Noni. Noni is an amazing superfruit. You can make tea out of it. You can eat it. You could just do all kinds of different things with it. But it smells like rotten eggs. Something extremely gross, but it's good for you though. Hi. Hey. Thanks.
The tree is called screw pine.
What's it called, baby?
A screw pine tree.
Okay, let me see what you got in your book.
Screw pine tree. Da-na-na-na-na.
All right, so let's go look at it and see. Okay.
Okay. There's one right there.
I don't think it's ripe yet.
Try. You never know, right? Never know. On the way back, let's get it. On the way back.
All right, let's go, buddy.
Okay.
There's a lot of Noni trees here, so I'm going to show you guys this one because it's pretty much my height, and there's a lot, even a really, really big one.
Ugh, that smells.
It doesn't smell like anything silly.
Yeah, it doesn't really smell.
When you open it, it does though.
But when you touch it and smell it.
Noni is sweating like crazy. I'm sweating like crazy. So we're gonna just sit and chill for a little bit. Let's go. This hike is probably one of the longer ones that we've done, and it's really open. It's super hot out today, and now we're kind of in the jungles. I'm liking this part of the hike so much more because we got a little cool air and some shade. We made it to the bridge. I will go ahead and let you guys take a look and see these beautiful shots. It was definitely worth the heat, worth the hotness, and the sweaty situation here. The shoes that I got are Solomon's. I don't know what type of Solomon's, but I will link it down below and I will put it across the screen somewhere. But so far they're really nice. I use my little gray shoes and they're comfortable and everything, but they're super slippery. So I got the Solomon's thinking that they wouldn't be as slippery and that I would have a better hiking experience if I use those. And so far they're pretty good. I feel like they're not meant for slippery, wet rocks though. But hiking in Guam is, hey baby.
Hi.
I feel like hiking in Guam, there's so many different types of terrains that it's kind of hard to find that one perfect shoe. I got them here locally. I was looking for some on Amazon before, but with the whole pandemic, it was going to take like months to get here. So I just said forget it, and I'm kind of happy I did because they had the really cute purple ones. The ones that I was going to get before were black.
good. Go
Yes.
ahead, kiddo.
Let me have a sip.
So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. Don't forget to check out my website, it's Terreana.com. Check me out on other socials, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, all the socials. Check out my other videos. If you like hiking videos, I have quite a few going on right now. So check out my other hiking videos. Hope you guys are all staying happy, healthy, and safe. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.